True design doesn't shout, it whispers, through texture, proportion, and restraint. Let's explore the new, nature-inspired Carlex Himalaya Diamond. Every surface you see here is real, exceptionally rare and exclusive letters. Himalaya, Porosus, Napa, Nubuk, Alcantara. Chosen not for effect, but for the character. And this is how true materials behave. Textured and alive, you can feel it in the way the leather moves under the pressure. It folds and responds. All hides used in this project come from a single European tannery, the same one trusted by the most renowned fashion houses. Here, accents in subtle white gold are quietly integrated. Each one of them is placed with intention and touched with hand. A dual-tone composition, hand-brushed with diamond dust, hidden in plain sight and guided by human touch. For the observant, even the exhaust has been redefined. Its elegance reveals itself. Look closely and you will notice the details, like engraved crest that quietly affirm the car's identity. The steering wheel continues the story of contrast. It's wrapped in deep brown Napa and ivory tone Porosus. Look closer and you will find some subtle signatures here. Himalaya-specific metal emblems and stainless steel seals engraved with the crest. Nothing loud and nothing crushed. Just form, texture and time. Woven into something you simply notice. This is Carlex.